Hello and welcome to Control Freak RC. Today we'll be looking at the CRF Radiator guards. Save yourself $370 just for one side of a radiator. It's fantastic. This $100 part can save you lots of money. Let's have a look at it. Right, so I've already done the other side. Absolutely crushed it when I dropped it down the side of a hill. Did not love life that day. But these things should give it a bit of protection. You simply undo your radiator and slip the bracket in behind it. It's pretty easy. You don't even have to take your radiator off. It comes with everything you need. The smaller bolts go into the aluminium rods. There's 8 of them. Then you've got the 4 longer rods, longer screws that go into your plastics, to mount your plastics back on. The reason why they're a bit longer is to make up for the extra space caused by the bracket. Very easy installation, very light. And mate, after that last turnout, I'm looking for any type of protection, because it is, if you go have a look at yours right now, you'll see how vulnerable it is. Money well spent. I wish I had them a while ago. Probably wouldn't have had to buy a new radiator. No, it was a pretty big drop. Probably would have shocked it anyway. Okay, so here's your outer bracket that keeps your radiator all rigid and protects it from all the dangers of the outside world. And then your plastic simply bolts onto that. You just chuck these 2 smaller screws into your rods through your bracket, and then put these big ones through your plastics, and you're on, son. Away you go. All good.
Okay, so that's what the Crosspro radiator braces are going to look like when they're on your radiator. Simply just chuck your plastic on. Use their 2 screws for the bottom. You've got a longer thread to go through the bracket, and your original one up the top here. Very quick job for $100. Like, it can save you a lot of money. So think about that. Some of you are probably saying, my cousin's got a CR and he doesn't have them. Well, good on your cousin. Probably doesn't climb mountains like a goat either. Peace out.
And here's the finished product. Doesn't really look that dicky. If you didn't know what you're looking at, you'd probably think it was just, it came like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, same, but different, but more protection. Good ways. No, I like it. Now, let's go test it, eh? Thanks for watching. This makes me sick. Nah, seriously, it was only 300 and... Is she looking? Where is she? It was $370. Something like that.